In today's video we will see how to turn on or off the HP Smart Tank 580 printer, power reset and energy saving guide. So firstly turn on the HP Smart Tank 580. So the step 1, connect the printer to power. Make sure the printer is plugged into a working wall outlet and the power cable is securely connected. Step 2, locate the power button. So find the power button on the printer control panel. Then in step 3 you can press the power button. So press the power button once, the power light will illuminate and the printer will begin its startup process. Step 4, wait for initialization. Allow the printer a few moments to complete startup. Once the control panel light stabilize, the printer is ready to use. Now turn off the HP Smart Tank 580. So the step 1, ensure no print job are running. Wait until all printer scanning or copying tasks have finished. Now the step 2, press the power button. So press the power button once and then in step 3 wait for shutdown. The printer will completely its shutdown sequence and the power light will turn off. The step 4, leave the printer plugged in optionally. So HP recommends using the power button rather than unplugging the printer directly, as this allow the printer to shut down correctly. Goodbye.